how to delete profile picture on Pinterest. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Pinterest application on your device. After opening up, if you have got multiple accounts, then you have to log in to the account in which you want to make the change. After logging in, you will be able to see your profile in the right lower bottom corner. So in order to delete your profile, you need to tap on your profile picture, and by doing that, there will be two options displayed over here: change profile picture or download pin code. You have to go for change profile picture. So here the Pinterest won't allow you to delete your profile picture, but instead you can change your profile picture. If you don't want to keep your photo or anything as a profile picture, then you can simply download black background from Google, and from over there you can select the profile picture and simply click on done option in the right upper corner, and by doing that your profile picture will be uploaded. And by following this simple step, you can delete profile picture in Pinterest. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.